Hello and welcome to today's new episode. And today I'm going to share the recent very good result in Q4 FY25. For that, I'm going to share my screen, but I have a disclaimer before that I do not have any buy, sell, hold recommendation of any stock mentioned or shown in this particular video. This is just for knowledge sharing and for academic purpose. If you have interest in any of the stock, you can check with your registered advisor. So without wasting time, let's move into the screen and let me show you this good result, very good result in Q4 FY25. I will start with the first company. I hope my screen is visible and I can even make it little larger. I can even make it little bold. I hope it will be better. It's a snapshot. For stock specific result discussion, I will take separate video, like as I do for many sectors. I will do for IT sector, obviously. So let's start with Mahindra EPC. After a long time, I have seen Mahindra EPC posted very good result. It was a big disappointer for quite long time. It could not perform. This time they have posted a 35% handsome growth at the top line. EBITDA simply jumped from 1 crore to 10 crore, 19.6 crore. And net profit jumped fivefold from 1.5 crore to 6.2 crore. And EBITDA margin also improved 800 basis point at 10%. So it's very good result for Mahindra EPC after quite long time. Amal is a subsidiary of Atul Limited. Many of you are acquainted with this particular company. It's a traded subsidiary. So this company, this is the second consecutive very good result. I'm not very sure before that when after demerger, I think they are continuously giving good result. Last quarter, I do remember it was a fabulous result. This quarter is again another brilliant quarter for Amal. So top line of the company jumped 84% from 21 crore to 39% year. 39 crore, 21 crore to 39 crore. Whatever I'm saying on year basis, March 25 compared to March 24. EBITDA jumped from 4 crore to 10.5 crore. It's more than 2.5-fold improvement. And net profit from 0.37 crore to 6.8 crore. It's many-fold jump. EBITDA margin also jumped from 19% to 27%. So altogether, Amal is a brilliant result. Next is Valley Renewable. You know, this is a solar EPC company. Posted very good result, brilliant result. Top line of the company jumped 75% year-on-year basis from 273 crore to 477 crore. EBITDA jumped 68% from 75 crore to 126 crore. And EBITDA margin was little EBITDA margin got little compressed from 28% to 26%. Still, it is acceptable. Sorry, this is Very Renewables. Very Renewables is not solar EPC. It's a yes. This is solar EPC. I'm sorry. This is solar EPC. I got a bit confused. So next, net profit jumped 83% from 51 crore to 94 crore. It's a 83% jump year-on-year basis, and bottom line margin also improved 100 basis point at 20%. Swaraj Engine, I will not say it's a brilliant result. It's a good result. Top line, EBITDA and bottom line all jumped 29% year-on-year basis. EBITDA margin is maintained at 14%. Bottom line margin is also maintained at 10%. MRP Agro, small company, jumped more than threefold at the top line from 7 crore to 23 crore. EBITDA jumped 0.3 crore to 2.3 crore. EBITDA margin expanded 5% to 10%. Net profit jumped from 0.3 crore to 2.2 crore. It's a brilliant result for this small company. Next is Anand Rathi Wealth. We have seen this wealth management companies have started giving good numbers. Even in the last quarter, they posted good results. Before that, like 2 quarters back, 2 quarters back, those brokerage companies were posting good result for 3, 4 consecutive quarters, 2, 3 consecutive quarters. And from last quarter, I have seen this wealth management companies are coming out with good numbers. Another three wealth top line jumped 21%. Top line grew, I would say, 184 crore to 22 crore. Good result. It's not brilliant, but good result. EBITDA grew 24%. EBITDA margin expanded 100 basis point at 41%. Bottom line also jumped 30% year-on-year basis. So it's a very good result for Anand Rathi Wealth. Next is Silchar Technology. Silchar Technology is a transformer manufacturer. We know this company quite well, right? So top line of the company jumped more than twofold from 105 crore to 232 crore year-on-year basis. EBITDA jumped from 31 crore to 71 crore. This is also more than twofold. EBITDA margin expanded slightly at 31%. Net profit jumped more than twofold from 25 crore to 55 crore. And bottom line margin is maintained at 24%. Brilliant result for Silchar. Pitti Engineering, top line jumped 40% year-on-year basis. EBITDA jumped 54% year-on-year basis. EBITDA margin expanded 200 basis point at 17%, but there is a dip in the bottom line net profit. GNA Axles posted very good result, although top line is muted, 2% growth only. But EBITDA jumped 40% year-on-year basis. EBITDA margin also expanded 300 basis point, 13% at 13%. Net profit jumped 51% year-on-year basis, and net profit margin also expanded 200 basis point at 7%. 361, this is also a wealth management company, again posted very good set of number. Top line was slight improvement for 4% growth only year-on-year basis, but EBITDA jumped 61% year-on-year basis. EBITDA margin expanded 2000 basis point, 36% to 56%. Brilliant. And net profit grew 3%. So need to specifically check why net profit failed to grew in line with the EBITDA. So there may be any line item in between, any exceptional item, or maybe any line item before EBITDA that also may be possible, like need to check specifically. Thyrocare Technology posted very good result. Top line of the company grew 21%. EBITDA jumped 70% year-on-year basis. Net profit jumped 26% year-on-year basis. And EBITDA margin also expanded from 22% to 31%. So it's a 900 basis point improvement, expansion at the EBITDA margin for Thyrocare Technology. And very one thing I would like to mention here, that in the diagnostic space, Thyrocare posted fabulous result, but compared to Dr. Reddy's lab, which posted some flattish result, Dr. Lalchand, although it's a very small company, they posted degrowth at the EBITDA level at the bottom line as well. So Thyrocare is an exception, posted brilliant result. Dalmia Bharat is, again, I would say it's an exception in its space. Dalmia Bharat is a cement manufacturer. We all know this, and they have done lots of acquisition in this period of time. So back-on-back acquisition has started playing out for the company, I believe. Top line of the company is still muted, only 5%, 5% degrowth rather at the top line, but EBITDA grew 21%, good result. EBITDA margin expanded 400 basis point. This is more important for a company like Dalmia Cement. And net profit jumped 37% year-on-year basis. Net profit margin also expanded 400 basis point at 11%. Compared to its other cement manufacturer, let's say Orient Cement posted degrowth at the EBITDA level at the bottom line. ACC is what I can recall, around 12% growth at the top line. EBITDA margin, EBITDA is flat, 1% degrowth rather. Ambuja, decent numbers, not great. Whatever I can recall. Nuvoco Vista is also so-so. It's not brilliant, but Dalmia, I would say in the space so far, whatever I have captured, Dalmia is the best one in terms of its Q4 FY25 result. Sudarshan Pharma, it's a API manufacturer, pharma API manufacturer, posted good set of number. Top line of the company grew 19% year-on-year basis. EBITDA jumped 63% year-on-year basis, and EBITDA margin expanded 200 basis point at 8%. Raju Engineers, one another brilliant quarter for Raju Engineers. Top line of the company jumped 71%. EBITDA jumped more than twofold, and from 9 crore to 19.5 crore. And bottom line also jumped more than twofold, from 7 crore to 15 crore. EBITDA margin expanded 500 basis point at 22%. Lotus Lab, brilliant result for Lotus Lab. Top line of the company grew 19%, but EBITDA jumped 75% year-on-year basis. Net profit jumped 211%. Need to check why bottom line is exceptionally jumped, because maybe some exceptional item need to check specifically. I could not manage time to have a specific look into Lotus, but yes, result apparently is good. March 25, your Lotus EBITDA margin is 24%, 700 basis point improvement. Next is Sahat Solar. We know this is a photovoltaic cell manufacturer. They have some allied activities as well, but they are mainly photovoltaic cell and other solar system related product manufacturer. They also posted very good set of number. 71% jump at the top line, 67% growth at the EBITDA level. All EBITDA margin is maintained at 15%. Despite this type of growth, maintaining margin is very difficult. So they maintained margin. This is very good. And net profit jumped more than twofold. Next one is Zenotech Lab. Zenotech Lab posted 36% growth at the top line. EBITDA jumped from 2 crore to 7 crore. It's more than threefold. EBITDA margin expanded 300 basis point at 5%. Net profit was down from 17 crore to 11 crore. But as far as first two line items are concerned, it posted good result. Sorry, Zenotech Lab bottom line has jumped rather. I have mistaken. It's jumped from 0.6 crore to 1.23 crore, 86% jump. And EBITDA margin expanded 600 basis points. Sorry, I got confused with Susken Technology. Susken posted very good set of number. Top line jumped 36% year-on-year basis. EBITDA jumped from similar type of number, from 2 crore to 7 crore. And bottom line, there was a dip of 33%. So Sustain posted good set of number, I would say. Vishal Mega Mart in the retail space, it's a very good number, very good set of number. Top line of the company jumped 23%, EBITDA jumped 42%, net profit jumped 88%, and EBITDA margin expanded 200 basis point at 14%. Paras Defense, brilliant result, 36% growth at the top line. EBITDA jumped from 12 crore to 28 crore, it's 2.5 fold. And net profit jumped from 9 crore to 9.6 crore to almost 21 crore, it's more than twofold. So EBITDA margin also expanded 900 basis point at 26%. Paras Defense posted a brilliant result. Athar Industries also posted very good result, brilliant result. Top line of the company jumped 87% year-on-year basis. EBITDA jumped 600 from how much? It's sevenfold, close to sevenfold, more than 6.5 fold. It's 9.4 crore to 67.4 crore. And EBITDA margin expanded from 8% to 31%. It's more than 2200 basis point improvement at the EBITDA margin. And net profit jumped 1 crore to 43 crore. Brilliant result for Athar Industries. Ceinsys Tech continuously posting good result. There is a very significant revenue flow order inflow in CENCs in all the segments are doing good. Like when last time I have spoken to the management, they posted a very good set of number. Top line jumped 81% year on year basis. EBITDA jumped more than twofold from 12 crore to 26, 23, 27 crore. And net profit jumped from 12 crore to 21, 22 crore. And EBITDA margin expanded 300 basis point at 19%. So this is CNCs. Parag Milk posted very good set of number. Top line of the company grew 16% year on year basis. EBITDA jumped 68% year on year basis. EBITDA margin expanded 200 basis point at 7%. And net profit jumped close to threefold, more than I would say 2.5 fold, from almost 10 crore to 26 crore. Parag Milk, a few words related to Parag Milk. The value-added product like paneer, cheese. This value-added product is a key growth driver for Parag Milk. Baheti Recycling, top line of the company grew 20% year on year basis. EBITDA jumped 92% from 12.6 crore to 24 crore, and net profit jumped 4 crore to 11 crore. It's 2.5 fold. And EBITDA margin also expanded 300 basis point from 6% to 9%. So these are the brilliant result or good result so far which I came across or I could capture. So I will come with this type of video as result season will progress. So this is my first video for Q4FY25 related to good results. So I hope you must have found this video informative. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and keep on supporting me. Share the video and stay tuned for the next video. Thanks a lot. Take care and happy investing.